This guide shows the core scheduling workflow in Staff Hub. Choose the correct week, add or reuse shifts, review the team context, and make the finished rota easy for staff to find. Open Scheduling and confirm the week shown at the top. Move backwards or forwards before adding anything. This small check prevents a good shift from landing in the wrong week. The grid keeps each person and day visible in one place. Choose Add Shift for a one-off assignment, or start from a template for a pattern you use regularly. Set the person, date, start, and finish carefully. Templates reduce repetitive entry, but they should never replace a check of current availability and coverage. Before the rota is treated as final, review approved time off and any availability information your team maintains. Resolve obvious conflicts directly with the people involved. Staff Hub supports the decision, but managers remain responsible for safe coverage, working time rules, and fair scheduling. In the staff workspace, each person sees their own shifts, scheduled hours, and swap status. That reduces ambiguity and gives the team one current place to check. If your organization uses notifications, publish only after the rota has been reviewed so staff are not alerted to avoidable drafts. Staff can also view time-off balances and request status where that feature is configured. Treat those figures as operational context and reconcile them with your organization's official HR or payroll records. Staff Hub is not a payroll processor and does not file taxes or move money. You now know the schedule loop. Choose the week, add the right shifts, check context, and confirm the staff view. Continue with the next guide to bring a new person into the team workspace.